Hello everybody, hope you're well. We've got another Ulefone to give away, and this is the Armoured 30 Pro. So we'll do a review of it, and we've got one of these to give away to our subscribers we normally do.
How many times have I fallen for you? Every promise you never delivered. How many times all the words that you said had me mixing the sweet with the bitter? But I know what you're saying, don't need no explaining. You're making me shake and shiver. You're shining your shoes, but hey, I got news. I ain't falling for all of that.
And these people just coming up with innovation after innovation. And there's some new features on this one. And there's more phones to come. Incredible. And they're really good price as well. It makes you wonder why iPhone charge so much for their phones when this company can produce phones like this of this quality with all these features at a fraction of the price of an iPhone. As well as all the usual features you'd expect from a Ulefone, this is a big chunky one. It's got a massive battery in, and it's also got a screen on the back of it as well, so you can dual screen it. So you can have just the front screen, or if you want and you're taking selfies or you're playing the music, because it's got a massive speaker on this, you can have the front screen as well, which is also operational, so you can change all the features on the front screen the same as you can with the back screen. So double screen. The speaker on this is enormous. Let me play a tune and listen to how loud it is. And we are outside, of course. Also has flashing lights on it. This is undoubtedly a phone for the outdoors or the workshop. If you work on a building site, in industry, on a farm, or you're just going camping, or you spend a lot of time outside, this could well be the phone for you. Great music, so you can listen to music all day. Decent sized battery, which will last you a hell of a long time. And all the features you would expect from an Android 14 system running phone. Very rugged, very strong, comes with a good guarantee, and it has those sensors on the side we've seen before. These connectors on here where you can fit the endoscope. And you can buy an endoscope separately. And of course it'll fit into the handlebar mount for motorbikes or for e-bikes as well. Just to prove it's waterproof and rugged, let's turn it up a bit. Hope we don't disturb too many tadpoles. You can still hear it underwater. Are they dancing to it? How good is that? So to win one of these, it's our usual process. I haven't actually got the giveaway one as yet. These are brand new out, and they've just sent me one now to get the video, and the other one's on its way. So in a future video, just keep looking out for the giveaway results, and we'll announce the winners for this and any other giveaways we've done recently. So you need to be a subscriber, you need to be in the UK, and you need to leave the words in the comments of this video, "I want one." And then we'll scan through that randomly, and the computer will choose a random person, and we'll put that clip into the results video so you can see which person's won it. We'll cover all the cost. We'll only communicate through my email, which is onemanandhiswhippet@gmail.com, and we'll cover the cost to get this in the post out to you as soon as possible. It's starting to get really windy out here now, and I think it's about to rain. The phone might be waterproof, but I'm not particularly waterproof. So let's just pop back to the cottage and have a look how it is delivered and what it comes with. So what do you get in the box? We obviously get the phone. It comes well wrapped with some information on the front and a separate cover. When you first get the phone, it does have a screen protector on as well, but within the package you get another screen protector, which is a lot harder. You get a very comprehensive instruction book if you're one of them people that read instruction books. but it is a super easy phone to use. If you used an Android phone before, you shouldn't have any problems using it. And to transfer from your old phone to this phone, if it's an Android phone, you literally just put the cable in each of your old phone and the new phone and transfer the information. Or you can actually put the phones side by side and use an app on the actual phone to transfer it across. And Google allows you to use an app for transferring from an iPhone to an Android phone as well now. The only thing, again, I mean, it does come with a USB-C charger that's 66 watts, but it's only a 2-pin one, so you need an adapter or you have to get another charger for it. And that's even on the UK units. I mentioned the lead, and it comes with a lanyard. There are lots of accessories on the website. If you check the description below, you'll be able to see all the information about the phone and all the accessories that come with it. Security wise, it's got fingerprint recognition on this button here. You have a fast button there and another fast button on this side. Volume up and down. You have that connector which I mentioned earlier on, which you can fit the things like the endoscope on there. And I think there's another product that fits on there as well. It's obviously waterproof. If you've just seen, we've been playing music to the tadpoles and it hasn't affected it anyway. Dual screen, you can have a screen on the front as well as the back. So if you're taking selfies or you're listening to the music or something, you can have a screen on this side, which is really good. And it's a very bright display on this side as well. And it comes with all those features that we've seen on all the Ulefone, and that's this toolbox. So you're measuring picture frame, bob weight, protractor, compass, and they all work really, really well. That is exactly north on our house, so it's spot on. And I haven't calibrated or anything, I've just switched it on. Super easy to use. The screen quality is extremely good, and as you've heard, the sound quality is really good as well. I'll just play the sound again in the house. So let's play the sound. It comes with the flashing lights underneath. It's actually that loud, it's affecting the sound recording on this camera. So I've had to turn it down a bit. Has the night vision on there as well. Whippet's in the garden again. There's lots of good photo settings on this. Night vision photography, that was absolutely pitch black on that one. And the video quality is good. That's obviously me recording a recording, but it looks lovely and bright on the actual screen. Sound quality could be better but on the recordings, but that's like any phone, you do need a microphone for it. Some more pictures. I'll actually put those in now, straight from the camera into the video, so you can see the quality of them and some more that I've been taking over the last couple of days. Let's see if it's good enough quality for YouTube. You can be the judge of that. Let's put some clips in now. We're on our morning walk, and we usually post something on our Instagram, Whippet One Man and His, every morning. So if you want to catch up on us on a daily basis, and particularly those two Whippets, usually me dragging them out in the morning and them eating rabbit poo, check out our Instagram. But it all looks good on the screen as I'm recording. The sound is the sound. Without an external microphone there might be some wind noise. It's a bit shaded here, but that'd be the same on any phone. So directly into the sun. Let's try some close-ups. There we go. How stable it is when you're walking. Come up, leave the poo alone. It's been raining overnight and the grass needed it. It's been very dry for a few weeks. But it rained yesterday and most of last night. On the screen all the colours look good. Those camera lens settings, those camera lenses on the back there are set right back. behind the microphone so they're well protected. This phone will take a double SIM and an SD card in the side there in the tray, and it has underneath the rubber cover a traditional mini jack for a headphone if you want to use it, and the charging port is underneath at the bottom there. But they are absolutely rock solid. So that just leaves me to say thanks for watching. Don't forget the giveaway. Many more videos to come, and we'll see you on the next one.